Looking at direct variation, we've already discussed it. We know that it has to start at the origin, 0, 0, and it has to be a straight line. In order for something to be a straight line, it means that it has to have a constant rate of change, correct? The x values have to go up by the same amount, up or down, and the y values have to go up or down by the same amount every single time, and it has to start at 0, 0. So how would we fill in the blanks? A direct variation is a relationship in which one variable is a what? Fill in the blank. It's a constant multiple of the other. Think about it. The example you just did, you were looking at pay, money you make, and hours worked, right? Would you agree that the pay was equal to, this was the answer to one of the questions on the other page, was equal to $9.75 per hour. So one variable, the pay, is a constant multiple of the other. Every single time you add an hour, you make $9.75. Okay, does that make sense? So the graph, if you look at the graph, it's a what kind of line? A curved line, a straight line, what? Good, straight. It's a straight line that passes through the origin. Excellent. Okay, so this was the equation from the other page, and that can help you to answer this question. Hold on. So in the question we just did, the pay was equal to $9.75 per hour. What did $9.75 represent? Which is the rate of change, right? The rate of change. What was another word for rate of change? We talked about this on Friday. Starts with an S. Slope. Okay, so the 9.75 represented the slope. Whatever number is in front of the other variable will, in the direct relation, will give you the slope. That's the rate at which it's changing. There's nothing else added to it. It has a direct relationship. It changes by the same amount every single time. So if we were to change these letters, look here. I had a P and I had an H, but if we were going to use an X and a Y, was pay on the Y-axis or the X-axis? The Y-axis. So it would be Y is equal to, now you're going to learn this later on this year as well, but the letter they use to represent the rate of change in the slope is an M, okay? So Y would be equal to the slope, and then what did I do? I multiplied it by the number of hours, so we'll call that X. So this is the equation for a direct relationship. If you see anything written in that form, it's always going to start at the origin. Does that make sense? We'll get more into that later, but what does the graph always look like? It starts at the, and it's a straight line. It can look like that. Okay, that's what it looks like.